I am going to show you guys how to make a graph using Excel. Excel is super easy when it comes to creating graphs. It does all the work for you. Now, if you are more comfortable making a graph on graph paper or using graph paper, that is completely fine. I just want to give my kids another option. Excel is easier and a lot faster. And so to start us off, guys, go to your single sign-on. Find the Office 365 bundle, okay? You're going to double click on that. That is going to take you guys to your Office 365 apps that you guys have. Here is Word. Look on the left-hand side, you have Word. We want Excel, okay? So you're going to double click on Excel. Then you are going to find a new blank workbook. You are going to double click on that, okay? Now, guys, what you are going to do, I've already done this. You are going to create your table, okay? And so if you notice, guys, I took my table and I put it in Excel. So I have trial 1, trial 2, trial 3, and the average. And then I have my independent variable, what I changed, my rockets. I had a rocket with 2 fins, 4 fins, and 6 fins. And then I got this information. Guys, this data is made up. It's used for this tutorial. And so this is not real data. It's just numbers that I put so I can make a graph. So I can show you guys how to make a graph, okay? FYI. And so I have my trials, and then I'm going to find the average. Excel will find the average for you, believe it or not. So all you have to do, guys, is to find the average. You are going to hit the square where it says average. You're going to hit insert. You're going to go to FX right here, insert function, average, hit OK. Then you are going to select exactly what you want averaged. I want 7, 12, and 8 averaged. I'm selecting it and I'm going to hit enter. Done. I'm going to do the same thing for the next one for 4 fins. You go to FX, which means function key. You're going to select average. You're going to hit OK. Then you're going to select 20, 22, and 12. I'm holding down my keypad and I'm sliding across. Then I'm going to hit enter. That's the average. We'll do the same one for 6 fins. Insert function. You're going to click on average, hit OK, and then you're going to highlight exactly what you need and hit enter. Okay? Now, I use that to find the average. Now I got to make a mini table. I want you guys to make your table exactly like you see mine on here. For 2 fins, I had 9 meters. For 4 fins, I had 18 meters. And for 6 fins, I had 26 meters. Oops, 26 meters. Okay? Now, guys, all you have to do is select what you want graphed. I want 2 fins, 4 fins, 6 fins, and the average graphed. I've selected it. I've held down my keypad, my mouse pad, and selected it. And now I'm going to go to Insert. I'm going to head over to where it says Column, and I'm going to hit 2D. Okay? And just like that, my graph has been created. But my graph is not done. Now I need to go ahead and label my graph with a title. I need a label for my x-axis and my y-axis. So for my chart title, I'm going to go to Chart Tools. I need the chart, the tools for the chart. Select that. I'm going to go to Chart Title. I'm going to scroll down all the way to Edit Chart Title. Now I'm going to give my graph, aka chart, graph, a title. Paper, rocket, flight. And I hit OK. Now my graph has a title. Now I need to label my x-axis. Now remember, the x-axis is your independent variable. It's what you changed. In this experiment, I changed the number of fins on my rocket. So I'm going to go back to Chart Tools. Go to Axis, Axis Titles, click on it. The x-axis is horizontal. I'm going to go all the way down to Edit Horizontal Axis Title. I'm going to title it Number of Fins. Okay, that was my independent variable, what I changed. Now I need to label my y-axis. That is my dependent variable. What I measured the distance of the flight. So I'm going to go back to chart, go to axis title, and I'm going to scroll down to primary vertical, so vertical axis, scroll all the way down, move all the way down to edit vertical axis. Distance is my title of flight, and it was in meters. I want my units. Hit OK. Now my graph is labeled. Now the series thing, how to get rid of it, some of my kids do ask. You're going to right click, hit format, go to series, and then where it says series, delete that and X out. Your graph is done. Now all you have to do, guys, is you can copy and paste it and upload it to your lab write-up and paste it in the graph section. I've had kids print it out and paste it on their lab write-up. So guys, your graph is done, okay? That's how easy it is to get it done in Excel. If you have any questions, send me an email, okay? All right, bye-bye, guys.